Hey friends, if you encounter the exception breakpoint error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution, as mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum, is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a list of DISM scans. The command is DISM online cleanup image check health. So search for command prompt and click on run as administrator. Now other than check health, you can also use scan health and restore health. Paste it all here and then keep hitting enter. The next solution is a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r /f and then hit enter. Press Y and then hit enter once again. And the last one is a memory diagnostic tool. Last one is to run the memory diagnostic tool. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command mdsched and hit enter. Click on restart now and check for problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.